Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Kilde. My name is Johanna, and I'm here with Radek, CEO and co-founder of Kilde. And today we've been doing the Hubis Wealth Conference in Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia. So on that topic, Radek, because we do a lot of NBFI investing and we have a portfolio that spans Southeast Asia, what are we seeing in this part of the world in terms of markets and borrowers, and what's the outlook for Kilde in Southeast Asia?
Thanks, Johanna. So Southeast Asia is a very dynamic market, very diverse as well, fragmented. I could put it in different words. We have been staying on the sidelines for the past, I would say, 3 years, because we believe that the market was too hot, especially the fintech market, the lending market, the MBFIs. The valuations were very high around 2021. It was probably the peak around there, and expectations of the potential customers were also very high. Now the expectations are cooling down, and we think that certain assets are correctly priced in here. And we are preparing several investments in the region, including here in Malaysia.
Super, thank you very much. And if you as an investor have any other questions for us, let us know in the comments and we'll answer them next week. Thank you.